I didn't see what I love. I love the little yellow quail eggs. That's street food in the Philippines. When it comes to street food in the Philippines. Now, what I love the most is the buko juice, which I'm hoping they should have. Hello. Do you have the buko juice or no?
We don't have.
You don't have?
Buko juice is not selling today.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Is it
We just only have sweet corn.
sweet corn?
Yeah.
How do you do that? Let me see.
We put to the corn.
You grind and
We
you.
have a cup. We have a cup. We have a whole corn.
Uh-huh.
The whole corn, the price is the big 40 and 35, the medium size. We just only put butter and cheese also, the whole corn.
The whole corn.
Yeah.
Do you have to cook to boil first or
We have already
oh
boiled.
oh you have pre-boiled?
We have rice, we have
This one is raw.
yeah, roll, and then we have cooked already.
Oh wow. I've never tasted like this before. Half stick 20. Can I try the half stick? I think I have
Half
20.
on his feet.
Yeah, I think I have 20 pesos in my
Yeah, okay.
on me. I just want to try. I've never
Okay.
I never tried that before.
If you try, sir, you come back.
I hope so. I love to come back. Okay, that's the half. Let's make sure
Good thing.
we have our 20 pesos here.
You want to put cheese and butter?
If that will not cost me more than what I
No,
have.
no.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Okay, put.
Do the whole thing, the whole.
Okay.
Let me taste how it is. Oh, I see. It's amazing street food. Do you sell every day?
Yes, sir, every day.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you.
But this only time is we start 2 p.m.
2 p.m.
Yeah, until 9 p.m. in the night time. We go to in night time we
Okay.
go to Marietta in phase 2.
Oh, Marietta.
Yeah, near in Padeos. Thank you.
Yeah. Wow. It is good.
Thank you.
Mmm. Okay. Wow. All right. Thank you, guys.
Very much, sir.
Enjoy your evening.
Yeah,
Let me enjoy my corn.
thank you.
Wow. Where I come from, we eat corn just like that. It's already sweet enough. But with cheese and whatever they put again, it just hits different. Mmm. That's Filipino street food. All right. Go get you one of these.